All right, welcome back. So, Cody's sign is gone. The face of it. So, on this adventure, we're going to go play some cornhole. An event called Cornhole Classics and Tractor Show in Cody, Wyoming. So I just arrived into Cody, coming from Pahaska. Beautiful drive. So we're going to go over here to, I think the location is called City Park, and register and check out some tractors around 10 a.m. and then I think the cornhole games start around 11, if memory serves me right. So I will check back in when we're there. All right, we're all registered for cornhole, so we're gonna come over here and check out some tractors. Oh, a whole bunch of them. Oh, hello, butterfly. Oh, 36. Dang.
That yellow.
I just about bought one of those. It's like that. I should have bought it, but I have a 7-horse.
Yeah, I guess that's her.
I think it's fine. Go to the other side.
You know, you go to lunch conference.
That's all right. Then you guys move over here and get me here. That works out.
Yeah. But if you ever look at the best of the best show here.
Yeah, we've got a couple of those. We've got one, and then one in Iowa we want to go to, and then there's 2 other shows.
What's the one in Iowa?
Iowa?
That's at Amco.
Yeah.
Where's that one at?
Well, it kind of rotates like you.
In Iowa?
I never heard of that. Yeah, because they do rotate from 4 different.
Yeah, see, I grew up.
But I know if you have that depending on who you pick up.
Have you been to Rock Island?
Oh, now we can see you. Oh, yeah. Well, to see more than I have.
I'm about to fire this thing up.
I think Grandpa's on his way. I'm gonna go back and look at that.
Alright, so I went over here and drooled all over the tractors. Such amazing piece of equipment. So now I'm gonna go over here and I think I found a sweet tent. See what the tent has, and maybe go set up for some cornhole and see how we do.
So, is the post full?
Oh, there's the sweet tent. Let's go see what they have. Oh, I see some sweets here too. All right, so many choices.